Good morning, dear student. In first unit, in writing task, a letter is given and a revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has just been released. Order one set. Write a letter to the publisher Mindfam Private Limited, 1632 Asaf Ali Road, New Delhi, requesting that a set be sent to you by valuable post VPP and giving your address. Your letter will have the following parts: address of the sender and receiver, the solutions, body of letter, and closing phrase and signature. Dear student, after reading how to write formal and informal letter, dear student, here is the example of formal letter. First we write address of sender to 15 Adarsh Nagar, Jaipur, 15 April 2020, Mrs. Mindfire Private Limited, 1630 Asaf Ali Road, New Delhi. Subject: an order for one set of new revised volume of Isaac Asimov short stories. Dear sir, I have come to know that a new revised volume of Isaac Asimov short stories has been released for you. I wish to place an order for one set of the same. Kindly send it by valuable post at the above given address. Yours sincerely, Vinay. Another formal letters are given. A complaint about water supply breakdown. Write a letter to the editor of newspaper about the frequent breakdown of the water supply in your locality. Dear student, the answer: Radhanagar, Kaisar Ganj, Ajmer, 20 May 2020. The editor of the Dainik Bhaskar, Ajmer. In this heading part of letter, this is heading part, and in this we first write the address of sender. After it we write the address of receiver. Subject: frequent breakdown in water supply in Radha Nagar. In sir, kindly publish in your esteemed newspaper our complaint against the municipal committee about the frequent breakdown of water supply in our locality. Despite our several complaints and reminders, there has been no improvement in the water supply system. Water is supplied for only a few hours and there is no fixed time given for supplying water, so the residents of this locality are facing acute water shortage as well as irregular water supply. It is a hope that concerned authorities would look into the matter and do the needful. With thanks, your faithfully, Hari Prasad. This is a formal letter. Next formal letter is given. Write a letter to the editor of New Bharat Times on the reckless driving of mini buses in Jaipur. Dear student, the answer is 215 Mansarovar, Jaipur, 16 March 2020. The editor, New Bharat Times, Jaipur. Subject: reckless driving of minibuses. Dear sir, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the authorities toward the danger of the rush driving. It is high time that proper steps should be taken to stop the reckless driving of minibuses on the busiest roads. Yesterday, an old man had a narrow escape from being run over by a minibus. Such reckless driving causes fatal accident and casualties, and the traffic police must be strict in enforcing the traffic rules and regulations to avoid critical situations. Your faithfully, Amit Lahar. Next question is: imagine that you are Ravi Verma from Jaipur. Write a letter to the editor of Dainik Navjyoti on keeping Jaipur clean. Dear student, the address of sender 25 Jamuna Nagar, Jaipur. Date 24 March 2020. The editor, Dainik Nijyoti, Jaipur. Subject: keeping Jaipur clean. Dear sir, I have been reading so much in the newspaper about keeping Jaipur clean, but I have just one question to ask. Where are the dustbins? Even a busy place like Sindhi Camp bus stand has no proper dustbins. Travelers throw all the bus tickets on the bus stand. It results in untidy look. There are so many roads without dustbin. It is the time for Jaipur authorities to take appropriate action regarding this matter. Dustbin must be placed at bus stands, hotels, and wayside stalls to maintain cleanliness. We should be practical and realistic when we talk about a clean Jaipur. Your faithfully, Ravi Verma.